Hi, I'm Tu, a nutritionist on the Healthy Living team at Giant. Did you know that one serving of kiwi has twice as much vitamin C than that of an orange? Kiwis are a wonderful addition to your family's fruit rotation as they are delicious, nutritious, and easy to prepare. When picking a kiwi, look for ones that are slightly soft and give a little when gently squeezed. A ripe kiwi will also be round and free of blemishes, tears, or wrinkles. Store in your refrigerator to maximize freshness. To prepare your kiwi, simply use a spoon to scoop out your kiwi, slice it or peel it for a quick snack. Or get a little fancy and make a kiwi fruit salad. You can even eat the peel for extra fiber. So whether you're choosing a sun gold kiwi for its sweetness or a green kiwi for a little tang, know that with each kiwi you are supporting a healthy immune system, you're getting fiber, and a delicious treat.